I'm Professor Akhtar Kumar, Director, Institute of Commerce, Shah Latif University, Cairo. In today's class, I will be discussing with you people about the supply and the factors affecting the supply. So, first of all, I will try to define the supply. That what is the supply? Because in the previous classes we have discussed about the demand, it means the behavior of the buyers, and that whenever price changes, how people are reacting. In today's class, we will be discussing about the supply, means about the sellers, that whenever the price are changing, how the quantities supplied are changing. So when we are saying that economics is the study of how people and businesses behave, or how they are coping with the scarcity. So in this context, we are saying that supply is the amount of the good or service which people are the firms or the firms or producers are willing and able to sell in the market at given prices and in a given time period. So this is simply the definition of this supply, that this is the amount, means the quantity of good, means the things which we want to buy, the tangible things, the visible things, or the things which have the ability to satisfy our needs or wants, and or services. These are the different types of the services which are provided by the firms, and services like these are called intangible. In the goods we can include, just suppose, paint, mobile, food, clothes, TV, and so on. These are the different, simply the names of the goods. And in the services we can say the teaching, the driver service, the lawyer services, the police services, doctor's services, and so on. These are the few examples of the services that people want to buy. And which firms means businesses are firm organizations. Business organizations are, we can say, the producers, means those who are converting the inputs or raw materials into the final goods and outputs, and they convert the input to output. Just like the producers of the soft drinks, the producers of the degree like the educational institutions and so on, are willing They must be willing, they must have the aptitude, they must have the liking, they are ready, willing and able. Not only they are willing to sell, but they must have the ability to sell the goods and services. So here the term ability means if I claim that I start from today teaching the medical courses, but it will be only my claim, it will be only my want or desire that I wanted to teach the medical courses, but when I check my ability, I don't have the degree related with the medical sciences, so I cannot teach. I will not be able to teach the medical courses. And instead of my willingness to sell means selling means just selling to the people that they wanted to sell. Vikram in market is a place where buying and selling takes place, because in the capitalist economic system we have already discussed that in the capitalist society what goods should be produced or decided by the market through the demand and supply signals. So that's why we say that the market is a place where buyers and sellers interact to sell their goods or services, and the buyers they are willing to buy the goods or services. Market at given prices means whatever the prices are given. Because when we say that if the price is 20, how much someone is buying of any product, when the price is 20, how much a firm is selling, when the price is 21, how much a firm is selling, and 23, how much the firm is willing to sell, and so on. If given prices means the different prices in a given time period. The time should be mentioned. Just suppose we say that in a week, the price per juice is, and the quantity supplied of juices. Just suppose when the price is 20, cane juices are demanded are supplied by the firms, and the price is 21. We say suppose 12 juices firms are willing to supply, and the price is 22. They are willing to supply more, the 13. So time here mentioned is that in a week, that whenever the price of the juice is 20, the firms they are willing to supply 10 items, at price 21, they are willing to supply 12, and so on. So we must mention the time period, if it's a day, whether it's an hour, whether it's a month, whether it's a year. And another term which is related to the supply is law of supply. What is the law of supply? The law of supply states that whenever the price of a good, or we can say any good or service increase or rise, the quantity supplied of that good or service will also rise. Ceteris paribus means when all else remains same, when other things remain same, whenever the price of anything rises or increases, the quantity supplied of that thing will also rise or increase. And vice versa. We can reverse this statement that whenever price of any good or service falls, the quantity supplied of that good will also fall. Ceteris paribus. Means whenever the price of anything falls, the quantity supplied are also falls when other factors remain constant. So this is the law of supply, and we simply say that in the law of supply means there is a positive relationship between the quantity supplied and the price. And through the graph, we can also explain the supply. That here we mention the price, here we mention the quantities. And horizontally we mention the quantities. We say that whenever the price is increasing, the quantity is also increasing. So that's why we say there is a positive relationship between the price and the quantity supplied. But we have to keep in mind the term ceteris paribus. This type of the relationship will exist only when all else remains same. So what does all else means in the context of the supply? The law of the ceteris paribus in the law of supply means where determinants of supply. These are changes in technology, changes in input prices, number of producers, and taxes and future expectations. These are the determinants or the factors which are affecting the supply. That whenever we say that when the price of anything rises, supply will also rise, but ceteris paribus should be there. And ceteris paribus means other than price, all other factors which can impact on the supply will remain same. They have to remain same so that we can get the exact response from the supply. Thank you very much for listening and watching.